Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. To call a Siri, you need to press 3 times at the touch area on your left or right earbud. Touch area is located at the back side of your earbud. So now let me press 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri awake. And you can customize it, you can add it to another gesture. You need to open TOZO app, then go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the top I have touch controls, tap at this line. And now you can add it for the single press. We have activate Siri, double press, and by default you have it on the triple press. You cannot add it for the press and hold. It's the same with the right one. So let's say I wanna add it for the double press at my right earbud. And I select activate Siri here, and now let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!